Welcome to NightCrystal Night Vision Optics. Today, we'll be looking at our new NightCrystal M5. This video will show you how to repair it. If the device malfunctions, start by removing the battery cover. Next, unscrew the lens. Remove all screws as shown. Carefully take off the lens. After removing, start by opening these four screws. Remove them carefully. After unscrewing these four, you will see the connected wires. The wires are sealed with glue. Use tweezers to remove the glue carefully. Then unplug the wires. These are the connector wires. Remove them gently. While unplugging, you might find the glue holding them tight. Once removed, locate the additional wire. There is another cable. This is the button cable, and another for the display. Carefully unplug it. Now it's open. If the motherboard is faulty, unscrew the board screws. If the motherboard is damaged, remove its screws. Handle it with care. Here's the screen. This is the display. This is the display. Unscrew the screen. The board fits into this section. Remove these four screws. The screen and motherboard are now detached. If the screen or motherboard is faulty, remove and replace them. Here, use some alcohol. Spray it. If the board or screen malfunctions, there's adhesive here. Spray alcohol here. After spraying, you can open it smoothly. Replace where it's faulty. Why is our product so shock resistant? Because of the silicone pads underneath. The screen is very sturdy, and so is the motherboard. There are 4 silicone pads. These are soft materials that make it shock resistant. This section contains both the screen and motherboard. If the camera is faulty, remove these 4 screws. Now, remove the entire assembly. If the button board malfunctions, remove and replace it. Simply swap it out. If this section needs replacing, Remove the camera module. Please allow me to take this opportunity to introduce our company NightCrystal Optics to you. Established in 2013, NightCrystal Optics is the night vision and thermal imaging experts in China. You are welcome to be our distributor. Please write to us to email info@nightcrystal.com or add our WhatsApp +86 135303017775 to discuss the details. Alright, it's detached now. If the board is faulty, with no image, replace it. If this is a light-sensitive plate, and it can't switch day to night, simply replace it. There are 2 screws here. Replace it with ease. That's it. Okay, that's it. The camera, too, is secured with 6 screws and silicone pads, making it shock resistant. If the flashlight is faulty, remove these 2 screws and replace the flashlight head. That's how it's done. The entire disassembly process is as shown. This is the breakdown of all parts. If you like this video, please remember to like this video and subscribe our channel. How do these wires connect? First, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ports here. Each port corresponds to a specific wire. This is for connecting the display, like this. Like this. Cover it, and it's okay. This one connects here. This ribbon is inserted like this. This blue one, the label should face upwards. Once connected, apply adhesive on both sides, or adhesive is optional. This is the connection method. Here's one for the IR flashlight. This is the IR flashlight wire. Another IR flashlight wire. Where does the IR flashlight wire go? It goes onto this board. The IR flashlight fits here. The IR flashlight wire goes here. It connects here. The entire layout. This wire connects here. Then, there's an infrared plate. This wire, the infrared plate, and this wire here connects to this point. This infrared plate connects here. Next, there's this wire. This is the battery wire. It's connected to the battery box. This wire, when passed through here, this battery wire goes through here. It connects here. This is the battery wire. This wire connects here. Next, there's the keypad wire. There's a wire for the keypad. This wire connects here. It connects here. This blue one. This blue part faces this direction. This blue one. This marking here. This blue mark faces in this direction. Here it connects. Connects here. These wires must not be confused. This is for the keypad. This connects. This is for the keypad. This is for the IR cut. The camera wire. This one is for the display camera board. One wire is for the IR flashlight. And this wire is for the battery. Be careful not to mix them up. Okay, to be NightCrystal distributor, please contact us by email info@nightcrystal.com or WhatsApp us +86 135303017775. See you next time.